Hello and welcome once again to learn Penang Hokkien step by step. This is Tim and today we are learning the word lu. The word lu means you. This word, if you find it from the dictionary, will be shown as you see here, lu with the number 4. However, when you use it in regular sentences, it changes its form to lu. So, in the beginning of sentences, you will most likely find it in this form, such as lu mia hami. Lu mia hami, meaning, what is your name? Or, literally, you name what? Lu tua talo. That's where do you stay? Literally, you stay where? If the word is at the end of a sentence as an object, then it goes back to the citation form lu, such as wa kiu lu. But at the front of the sentence as the subject, it is always lu. Lu kiu wa. You called me. Except that when you use it to emphasize something, to emphasize you, then you change it back from lu to lu. Like this. So, it is a very simple word where the spelling is lu and it can be either with tone 4, which is the citation tone for this word, or tone 1, which is the sandhi tone, and also the tone that you would use in regular sentences. So that completes our lesson on this word lu. I hope you enjoy learning this word and I hope to see you again next time. Don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you and see you again.